In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to Chase step by step. Let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, you'll need to open your Wise account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look around. You should see your balance or balances displayed right on the home screen, making it easy to know exactly what you're working with. Now, locate the Send Money option. It might be a button or a link, depending on the device you're using, but it's typically in a prominent position on the main dashboard. Click on Send Money, which will prompt you to enter the details of your transfer. Now, let's talk about transferring to Chase. You need to have the Chase bank account details handy, specifically the account number and the routing number. Enter these details carefully to ensure the money reaches the correct destination. After entering these details, you'll be asked to specify the amount you want to send. Double-check to make sure you have entered the correct figures. Remember, Wise shows you the current exchange rate if you're sending money internationally. This is really handy as it gives you transparency over how much the recipient will receive after any conversion fees. On the same screen, you'll also see Wise's fees, ensuring there are no hidden surprises. After you've reviewed this information, feel free to proceed to the next step. If you haven't previously added Chase as a recipient, you'll want to click Add New and enter your Chase account details. After that, you'll have the option to save these details for future transfers, which really saves time if you plan to send money regularly to this account. Once everything is set, Wise will recap the details for you. Take this opportunity to cross-check everything from the recipient's details to the transfer amount before making the confirmation. A simple mistake here can mean sending your funds to the wrong account, so it's worth the extra minute. When everything seems accurate, go ahead and confirm the transfer. Wise might require you to authenticate the transaction, perhaps through a code sent to your email or phone. This extra security step is there to ensure your funds are safe and reach the correct account. After confirming your transaction, you should receive a notification or email from Wise indicating your transaction has started processing. Depending on the speed of your bank and time zone differences, this can vary. So, keep an eye on your Chase account over the next few days to see when the funds arrive. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to transfer money from Wise to Chase. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.